Alright, how's it going YouTube? I'm back out with the Arrma Infraction. This is going to be a stock speed run on 4S. I'm going to zero out the GPS. Hope you guys see that. Timer started. Alright, let's see what she do. This is stock. Only 4S. Let's bring it down. $58 after I hit that damn curb. Alright, how's it going YouTube? Back out with the Arrma Infraction after that mishaps right there, so we're gonna zero it back out. Timer started. I'm gonna go ahead and get another pull on for us and see what she do. That was kind of sloppy. Pull it in down here, hopefully I don't hit nothing. Then we're gonna spin it back around once they go by. Alright, y'all, here we go. See if we beat that 58. Shit, we got 61 on that pass. Let's bump it up to 6S and see what we get. Hope y'all seeing that. 61. It's gonna be a 6S run now. See the GPS zeroed out. Timer started. I'm gonna show y'all the system after. I should have did it with the 4S, but alright y'all, let's bring it down. I gotta get another pass because I couldn't even get the full throttle the way that thing was sounding. Let's get another pass in. Gotta turn the brake up. They jumping around on me. Hit 75 on that pass. We're gonna still pull it again, see what she do. So let's go ahead and reset that. These cars clean up. Take it down, bring it back. Alright, y'all see it. Zeroed out, started. Let's do it. It's kind of windy out here. I hope I started it. Car coming, might as well beat it, huh? for this speed bump. Alright, y'all, let's send it. Just started getting into it and I seen that car. Bring it back around. Ah, it's power right there too. That's 78. I don't think I'm gonna give it one more and then see. Alright, y'all, my road busy today, so this is gonna be the last run. I usually do one and done, but I'm not getting no clean passes, so timer started, GPS zeroed out. Let's see if my roads stay clean. Maybe get this pass in. See if I can bring it down for this car to come. There we go. Get it to full, but I ain't really get the whole. It's all good. Let's bring it back. We'll try again another day. We will try again another day. Oh, what did I do here? What did I do here? I don't even know what the hell I pressed. Alright. Alright, y'all. Look, I got 86 on that pass. And I know I could get more, but I got rubber tires on. I didn't think it was going to pull that much, but more to come from this, man. Let me show y'all this is stock. 86, and that ain't nothing. I know she still got more on it. But, stock. ESC, stock motor, no cap pack, no nothing, and 2 6S, and then I had the 4S's in there earlier. So anyway, more to come, man. I'm gonna take these rubbers off and try with some foam for the next one, so stay tuned for that, y'all.